my, I don't know what edition it is, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0. I tend to be a little bit of a junkie when it comes to like car modifications. Anyway, this is where I'm at right now. We'll see how long this one lasts, but this is called the SHIROKAI wide body kit. To be quite honest with you, this is like by far my favorite wide body kit that I've seen, even when it comes to rendering for the Dodge Charger. So when I ended up going with this kit, I had that kit shipped directly to me. I had a paint body shop local in my area to do actually some body work to kind of clean up the pieces a bit. But then I installed the kit myself. At the end of the day, I got it done. It took me about 2.5, 3 days or so. And then at that point, I sent it off to the guy to get it wrapped. He gave me a good deal, and we ended up going with the satin matte black here. Thought I gave it a murdered out look, and gonna be happy with it. This is exactly what I was looking for.